Hello everyone, I am Sohrab from AgriMstuff, and today I want to show you how you can draw quartile plot using your data. I have three set of data, three station data, and I want to draw quartile plot for this three station data. I want to use the model analyzer tool. This is the model analyzer tool, and this tool is for analyzing result of model, but I don't have the result of model. I have just three set of data, so I cannot use dependent variables y and yp. Here I have just three set of data, x1, x2 and x3. I want to copy the data easily from the Excel or text file or anywhere and paste them here. Okay, this is my data, and because I should add just two number for the dependent variables and yp. Please note that you should remove these items because you don't have the y and yp data. You can use just this section and QQ section. And you can change the starting point of the quartiles and end point of the quartiles to any number between 0 and 100, between 1 and 99. Okay, you can select any distribution, but my data is temperature and I want to use normal distribution. This is quartile plot. It starts from this value to this value, 99, 50 to 99. This is three set of data. If you want to edit this chart, you can easily export the data and the chart to Excel and apply any edit that you want on it. You can edit any of option in chart in Excel. Okay, it's finished. I will put the link of the tool in the description of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.